Hello everyone, are you searching for an efficient pyrolysis machine suited to your scale? Today, we'll introduce 3 different types of pyrolysis machines to help you find the perfect fit and start your journey towards waste management. The first one is the batch pyrolysis machine. The way it works is pretty straightforward. Load one batch, heat it, collect oil, cool it down, then start the next batch. It's also very flexible. You can run different materials like tires, plastics, or oil sludge, and regardless of the raw material's form. The daily capacities of batch pyrolysis machine have multiple specifications available, such as 1, 2, 5, 10 and 15 ton per set. And Doing also offers a small-scale version for feasibility testing or experiment, 100 kilograms or 500 kilograms. About the batch pyrolysis unit, there are skid-mounted design and regular design to choose from. One thing to keep in mind though, because it works batch by batch, you do need to pause for cooling and discharging between cycles. So if your target is high daily capacity or non-stop operation, this type might not be the best choice for larger scales. The second type is the semi-continuous pyrolysis machine. The key difference here is that feeding and discharging can happen at the same time, no need to stop for cooling. That makes it a noticeable upgrade in efficiency compared to batch. While not as demanding on feed as a fully continuous system, semi-continuous machines require pre-treatment of the raw materials before feeding. This model usually handles around 5 to 20 tons per day. Doing's version uses an auto screw feeder system, which runs smoothly and doesn't require a large team. A medium-sized investment, falling between batch and fully continuous systems, is a wise choice for medium-volume projects. It is ideal for customers seeking higher efficiency and relative moderate price. The third type is the fully continuous pyrolysis machine. From feeding to discharging, everything runs around the clock without stopping, and can run continuously for about 40 days, offering high efficiency and large throughput. It uses a preheating system plus a main reactor and automatic slag discharge, all controlled by PLC, so very little manual work needed. Doing's fully continuous model pyrolysis system also includes anti-coking technology, which helps extend the equipment's life. It's ideal for projects handling over 15 tons per day with a stable material supply. Although the initial investment is relatively high, the cost per ton is actually lower due to the large throughput. It meets big capacity, industrial scale, and intelligent operation needs, supported by government policy. It also has stricter requirements on the raw material. Things like size, moisture content, and impurity levels matter more. If your input material varies a lot, you need some pre-treatment up front. So to sum it up, batch is a good starting point for small scale and diverse materials. Semi-continuous is a solid middle ground for better efficiency. Fully continuous is built for large volume and consistent input. Each machine has its own strengths. It's not about which is the best, but which fits your situation. If you're still not sure which one to go for, feel free to reach out. We can help you take a closer look at your materials, capacity, and goals and give you a more practical recommendation.
Doing waste to wealth. Fuel the future.